So here we have our beautiful Sunshine, who is an Amish horse. And you will notice that she is standing beautifully to be tacked up. No halter, no restraint in any way, shape or form. Then we have Mr. Tenny. Tenny is fully haltered, attached to a lead rope, and wondering what his fate is. And then at the back, we have another Amish horse called Hugo, who's standing beautifully for Kate to, he's coming for a cuddle. Thank you, Hughie. He is, look, he's like, Kate, you got it wrong. Silly. He is also standing, totally and utterly untethered, although he is providing commentary as to how tight that girth is. He's like, excuse me. That's the beauty of Amish horses.